Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock WhatsApp contact. First thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp mobile application and then tap on the contact you want to block, or you can just simply search for them. Once you are in the chat page, the easiest way to do this is to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and you should see block. Now tap on block and you can give your reasons and proceed to blocking the contact. Another way you can do this is to tap on the profile and then scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to say block contact or block business if it's a business account. But let's say you want to do bulk upload. You want to block a lot of people in your contact. This is how you can do it. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your page when you're on chat, and then you're going to see settings. Tap on settings. On the settings page, you want to come to where it says privacy. Tap on privacy and then scroll till you find blocked contacts. Tap on blocked contacts and here you'll be able to add the contacts you want to block on WhatsApp. Come to the top right corner of your screen and tap on add. And this is going to show you all your contacts. Select as many contacts as you want and then those contacts will be blocked. You can always come here to see the contacts that you have currently blocked on your WhatsApp. To unblock a contact, you can tap and hold the contact and you see the unblock option. Tap on unblock and the contact will be unblocked. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to block and unblock WhatsApp contacts, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.